Try to imagine a country the size of California with 1/6 the population and 860 uniquely spoken languages. That's Papua New Guinea in a nutshell. Guys, I've only been here for like 24 hours, but I'm loving it so far. It feels like I'm on another planet, and I can't wait to tell you all about it. Papua New Guinea is a nation of indigenous people. 97% of all land is tribal land. There are more than 860 distinct languages and ethnic groups in a population of 7 million people. That's one language for every 8,200 people.
Thank you.
Huh? That's so difficult. It's not even your tribe, but you can speak it.
Well, it's like one skin color.
Most people speak at least 4 or 5 different languages.
Or even crazier, 12% of all the world's languages are in this tiny country.
Hello, this is Korea.
Nabi lemsen paronim kanda.
Na gaksimbuta muka.
Me uksi.
Not only is Papua New Guinea the most culturally and linguistically diverse nation on Earth, but it's also the most rural. 82% of people live in rural areas outside of cities like Port Moresby, and they're all so friendly. The country's terrain is mostly mountainous, with rolling foothills and lovely coastal lowlands. The water is as beautiful as in Fiji, but unlike Fiji, Papua New Guinea is not built for tourism, as few outsiders venture down here. It's like an unexplored wonderland of greenery. Most roads are not paved.
It's going to be 4x4 time.
4x4 time. There are few hotels in town, and nothing else when you get out. It's just a wild adventure that I still cannot comprehend. But I came to wonder, how can you combine 1,000 tribes in a small country like this? How can they all get along without knowing each other or speaking each other's language? The answer is, it's not easy. In fact, it's a constant struggle that locals are facing today.
It's challenging to bring together, all these different tribes. Family and clan lines are still, the priority for most people. And we do have traditional practice of tribal fighting, and it happens in our highlands regions very frequently. The tribal fight can go for years. Children are unable to go to school for that time, those kind of things. It's a big impediment to development in the country.
I've already learned so much today about Papua New Guinea, and it's only getting started. I'm Drabinsky, and if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me as I plan to visit every country in the world.